Hi guys, Dr. Marvin here, and just wanted to introduce a few things related to week 7 here, our final last week here for our strategy course here in the MBA. So, welcome to it. Um, this week we have a real short reflective paper. That's our assignment that we're going to be working on, as well as a discussion post are all around government regulations in the global marketplace. So, a little bit of reading material and videos around those international kind of global settings. So make sure you, first of all, make your discussion post by Wednesday tomorrow. As well as responses by Saturday at 11:59. So the other aspect for this week is the reflection paper. So as we look at that, what's a few things, kind of what are we looking for? Just kind of a real first person. No citations are required. If you want to throw some in there, that's fine. But really, how are you going to be using what you've learned over the course of this by taking this course? Where were there? Do you feel like there were things that should have been taken a little bit more in depth? Were there things that were not covered that you hope to have been included in this course, or things that you wish would have been covered? A little bit of reflection on the Peregrine test. How do you feel like that measured your level of learning over the course of the MBA program? And I know we have a few folks that are nearing graduation and a few folks that are more like midstream within the MBA program. So feel free to just kind of reflect on that overall as you see fit in there. Just really kind of a softball assignment here, really overall. 1 to 2 pages in length. Citations are optional. But just please do make sure that you have that submitted by the deadline there in Moodle. Otherwise, I will be working on grading the capstone papers and getting the grade book updated over the today, tomorrow, and should have that updated shortly. So take care, be well. If you have any questions whatsoever, as has been the protocol since week 1, send me an email, send me a text, give me a call, stop by my office. Whatever it is that you need, please do let me know. Take care, and best of luck to those that are nearing completion of their program here at Tiffin University. I wish you all the best of luck in your pursuits, the adventures and challenges that await you, and to folks that are more in the midstream area within their studies here at Tiffin University, I wish you much the same, but also continued success as you continue the courses, as you continue your studies here at Tiffin University. So take care, be well, and look forward to talking to you soon.